Broken dreams, empty heart. I sleep hungry. I put my alarm aside and thought of sleeping peacefully. Turned off the lights, closed my eyes, longed for a dream hopefully. Fate smiled and I fell asleep easily. And then what happened? I woke up at 3. Tried hard to sleep again for an hour and a half steadily. Couldn't, so I decided to go for a walk early. Half a mile in my thoughts. When it started raining heavily, had nothing to lose, decided to enjoy the shower happily. And when it stopped raining, the morning was itself poetry. Time slowing down as the rain letting up. Early birds letting the world know their rhymes. Leaves bowing down to the last of drops. Pistil performing fluorescence in the deity of sunshine. Bark beetles started clicking in choir. Suddenly, the air felt ripe with dewy and pleasant petrichor. The untold story of lilac red got me misled. It was a meet cute, the simple breeze and I collided. Everything feels awake and loud usually. It was empty then, but beautifully